Welcome back
to
a
minister in your pocket. Nobody know you at all. If you look yourself up and down, you will know it is a lie.
Make we welcome people when they watch. Why you dey behave like this now?
No, I don't know. Say, and I dey sing. I mean,
you dey sing Sandalili for me because of say wetin happen.
No, I just dey sing, normal sing now. So I just remember the song. Say, so those songs where they inspire us. I mean, I just mean I sing a minister.
The song dey inspire you. Now you can't remember say you can't use minister sing am in my pocket. Minister in my pocket.
Chukudi, we don't come back. Talk to
our people went there for house. Now welcome back to Acid the Hot. We will discuss all of the ogbonge tori when we carry come this week from Monday. Go reach the current ones when they happen inside Obodo, Nigeria. Feel free to call in, chook mouth inside the arrangement and talk am the way anything be you for body.
You don't finish. So you don't finish. Now what you want to be that? To welcome our viewers.
I don't even know where
you
to
don't
start.
welcome them.
I don't even know where to start. I don't even know where to start with you because
Chukudi,
I dey find space where I go even feel
see all the space. You have all the space. If you want to roll for ground, they roll for ground. Anything you want to do, you have all the space. Roll, beat yourself up. I don't know which kind of space they find again. Which kind of space they find?
Space where I go even use for your body to even use me carry you up, self. I just feel every time I will feel for you, but you don't feel for yourself.
When they talk, you look yourself finish. You won't carry me, Nkubi. You won't carry Nkubi.
That's your name sound like wrestler own. Okpayemi from Ibadan. Nkubi, and you dey proud. Chikodi, Nkubi. Okpayemi they call us all the way from Ibadan. Shape 1-1. You started it. Okpayemi, good morning and welcome to Acid the Hot.
Okay, no problem. Good morning, Okpayemi.
Good morning.
Good morning. I beg, Okpayemi, this is your voice. You need to raise them up.
He be like saying, "Are you need fuel pass?" So.
Talk to us.
Everybody need fuel at least now for 2 days now. I never use my car, sir.
Okpayemi, talk to us. We hear you.
Okay. Based on Mr. What did they even call his name, sir?
Oga Alex Bade.
Alex Battery. Maybe say up top the money matter, say 1 billion naira or something like that. As for my friend who talk that time, Sheon from Zadia. Hello?
Good to hear you.
Continue.
I support the guy matter because anybody will show face, say as in say one,
show face, say
1 billion naira, 1 billion naira out. That's what I think I say Abokim Barawo, na Barawo. Friend of thief, na thief. Anybody will show face on top of 1 billion naira, that money they accuse them of.
Hey, Okpayemi, all the way from Ibadan. We don't note that important point when we say you don't drop down. Nigerians, they united for this particular decision. Say we must fight corruption. And the way we go about that fighting corruption, now to make them dead difficult for people when we say don't put Nigeria for this kind of condition when we dey. Make them just escape them anyhow. And also, we gonna put them, they carry and go forward, say, not be just to just fight these people. We go fight them, use them, do examples.
So that anybody will come in there tomorrow, at least go feel say, no, hey, if you even remember, say, this person served this number of years for, hey, you go feel, no, make I do this thing in accordance. See the outline, say how they say make I do and make I do like that, so at least everybody go feel waiting, go feel benefit.
You know, the way they do that, hey, you be like, who suffer punishments when it's small. You look like troublemaker. Yeah, it's a compliment. As in based on this discussion.
Wait, what did you just say?
No, based on this discussion.
What is the compliment?
I said based on this discussion.
No, what is the compliment?
Based on this discussion.
No, what is the compliment?
I said based on this discussion.
Based on what troublemaker compliment?
No, I try.
How can you attach troublemaker to a compliment?
No, as in based on the way you take
how does it fit?
No, the way you take your body language and the troublemaker, the thing fit. As in that's the compliment.
So that is the compliment of all things.
No.
Of all beautiful things where if you take refer to me, now trouble.
No, it just be like say person fly fence. You can't talk say if in jump the fence like thief.
Now
two things when they go.
No, something like that. Even the person who jump fence.
No, the jump and the thief complement each other. That's what I mean. I say you, as in you now.
Please, it's enough. Please, enough.
Why they bring your voice down?
Enough.
Why they bring your voice down? It is that they fear you. Which one is enough? Which one is enough? No, you start down. When they, I say I be minister.
When they sing, you mention person name.
Who talk about minister for here?
No, you mention minister. I can't sing. I can't remember song where I sing when I see be picking.
Why is it not my minister that make you to remember the song?
Something inspires one to sing a song.
You are not directing to me say he's in my pocket. Why you go just say he's in my pocket? Now so they sing the song.
No be argument. This issue is not between you and I. There are issues we should be telling Nigerians. That is what we should be facing. We should be facing right now. We got Fatima. Fatima, they call us from all the way from ABJ. Good morning, Fatima.
Call Abuja in full. Which one be ABJ?
People go know. Fatima, good morning.
Oh, good morning.
Yes, will they hear you, right? Talk to us. Fatima, will they hear you? Hey!
Why did he not go court? Somebody they call from Abuja, you say ABJ. ABJ. What's ABJ? What's ABJ?
ABJ is the short form of Abuja.
Why call it in short form? Why not respect
Every
Abuja?
Nigerian will know.
Why respect Abuja? Federal Capital Territory. ABJ. ABJ. Abuja. Abuja.
You know even sweet for your mouth.
ABJ, Ukubi. I no wonder you use your own. They spoil our Federal Capital Territory. And they suspect you. This Alex Bade case, and they suspect you.
Eh? On what ground now?
It's just a suspicion.
No, tell me on what ground?
Why you see him?
No, on what ground?
Okay, why you dey fear?
No, you're suddenly throwing an accusation on me.
Says, I'm suspecting you. I'm suspecting.
Why? Do I look like a military to you? Do I look like an former chief of army staff?
Continue talking. Now from the talk, we go know the one where you really be. Continue.
How am I even related to the amount where you don't even see the amount itself? 2 billion.
You see the way we take 2 billion. Yeah, continue. I'm very sure that they are taking notes. Toothless bulldog. You go see them. They are taking notes. Continue. You know you dey fear. No, you dey fear. You dey fear. Because we know it is when you dey talk on top of this program. Before things come happen like this. Now things don't happen. Those of us when they talk through now, you don't they attack us. You are attacking us. Me, Oga Igo, Oga Chukudi from Owerri, Oga Bobby from all the way from Amsterdam. All of us when they talk to Oga Oke from Calabar. All of us when they talk to. You don't they attack us now. You see yourself? No, you see him? You will see. You will see it. You will see, you don't get anything to talk now.
Don't worry.
You have the right to remain what? Silent. And anything you use again will be used against you.
You know I'm happy. This program will end.
Which program?
This program will Diamond, talk to us. Good morning, Diamond from Enugu.
Good morning.
You said this?
Diamond, talk to us. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, will they hear you?
How today?
Fine.
Oga Diamond.
Hello?
Will they hear you? Continue.
How today?
Fine, today fine.
Oga Diamond, continue.
What did happen?
Oga Diamond, you won't contribute for the matter. Make you contribute. Will they hear you?
Oga Diamond, you win free recharge card. Bless Oga Diamond, win free recharge card. We appreciate that. But we go like maybe say when you call, you go straight to your
to
point.
the point, because people waited that way also want talk.
Who could be wait? You been talk say this program go end.
No, that is why I'm happy. It will end. Once this program end, outside day, you know how to take down for school that time now. They say, cut better with me. No, you won't dare and better with me.
Bring your hand now.
No, see my hand.
Which one?
You have a longer hand.
Which one is longer hand?
No, you have a longer hand.
Yeah, bring your hand now.
Siam.
Bring it.
Siam.
Bring it now.
Stretch it now.
Wait till you stretch. You just not stretch. Stretch. Shall you get power?
Okay,
Shall you get power?
Don't worry.
No, they threaten me for live television.
Don't worry.
Say this program go end.
No, outside.
I get military background, no. I fight boys. I did Boy Scouts when I small. I did man of war.
Boy Scout, this picking.
Even before I can't even enter military, this thing.
You could make address, but I don't tell you what I tell you. I don't give you the one.
We are not hunting here. This is not.
No,
this is
enter matter. My own business. I don't drop the warning down. Make we enter matter.
You cannot do me any. I'm not a bushmeat. We are not hunting bushmeat here. They tell me say this program go end. This program go end. What do you want to do me? This program go end. You
don't even get delivered or even look me in the eye to tell me say this. Say I'm not going to do anything. You are looking me straight in the eye, in my 2 eyeball. They tell me say I talk say I know if you do anything.
You don't even get 2 eyeball. Now one you get. I'm looking into your 2 eyeball. Now as if say now 4 you get before.
I hear una from here now. I want to talk to you.
Oga Kenneth, good morning. Sorry for hold. Sorry, Jare. Will they hear you? Now this. In fact, let me know even. Good morning, Kenneth.
Oga, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm calling from Abuja. I'm first-time caller.
Okay, you're welcome, Oga Kenneth.
Yeah. You see that man when they chop our money.
Which man be that?
But at this man, Oga, when we say there's somebody that use 2 billion, I didn't even take.
Okay, Oga Badi, with the year.
That man is supposed to sleep there. He's supposed to just die for that place. Because
they never confirm say he chop money in the first place, Oga.
Even as I talk to you, I did for house for strike because they refuse to put money for my work.
Understand, bros? So waiting there to say that man, anybody can carry money, go meet that man and say 1 billion. That person won't in the next 2 months, Buhari go bounce back. Now change now with this. So
okay. Okay, thank you very much for your contribution. See, if Chukwudi, just as you talk, everybody just like now this matter, everybody they show interesting. We get Oga Sonny. Oga Sonny, they call us from Warri. Good morning, Oga Sonny. Sonny, you there? Blessed we don't lose Sonny. So Chukwudi, you don't. It's in fact the high point of this matter be saying. People they try bring out their voice on this particular matter, and especially when it has to do with say, okay, somehow they don't let somebody say it's still one particular money or they accuse them of doing something really wrong. You go say people's voice, people's collective voice go come out to say, make we see the end of this matter. You understand? Because every Nigerian out there wants at least a change. When I mean change, that change will be say, where would they anticipate? Not be the kind of change where somehow will they witness now. So that change will be say, we will see us free from corruption. That change will be say, we will see us say, at least we witness rapid development or even development for Nigeria. We will see us say we meet up with things where we say, at least other countries they meet up with. So now waiting will they talk about? Sonny is on the line again. Good morning, Sonny.
Good morning.
Yes, talk to us. They hear you.
Well, make them understand.
Okay.
I mean, I tell Nigerians, say, change now gradual.
Okay.
We too used to hurry. That's why people are thinking about the change. When they take an easy, small, we will get there. Nigeria people too, they hurry. They want the thing now. We are used to it because we see a new leader now who know they talk about things that we must get it now. We are not patient. Just tell them, I want Nigeria to be patient. Like this corruption is gradually, we will get, everything will be okay soon.
Okay, Sonny.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your important contribution. You don't talk change, not be magic. Now something when we say it is gradual, but it must stay steady so that we go know the direction when we go.
Yes.
Like you don't enjoin every Nigerian to support the government, because if this change bring better, all of us now we go enjoy them. But we will continue to talk so that those who promise us the good things and they go know say we go hold them to their word. Make we got this small break, come back. When we got this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it get to do with all the Ogbonge to do what happened this week as it is hot. I never forget that thing when you talk.
I don't know. I still stand.
Welcome back to As It Dey Hot. From here where we stand, so now the final bus stop on top of the program now we dey see. So we don't discuss all of the action story when we carry come this week. And we've been do all the one we dey do on Monday from the weekend. But on Tuesday, we look some kind of important story them. The one when we say our former president, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, talk about the EFCC. Say EFCC now toothless bulldog. On Wednesday, we celebrate Nigerian women. Look the way forward with our Ogbonge visitor, Honorable Princess Folashade Olabanji Oba. She talk am well, say if we give women all the support when they need, our society go even fit grow more, because now they use muzzle, they look woman, now sense that they use the look am. We can't discuss the one we carry come yesterday, say the lingering fuel scarcity when they inside Obodo Nigeria, different parts of this country, and something when we say our government must declare emergency to solve the problem. We get some kind of important story when come from today, but the one when we say they carry first, and the one we get to do with the 2 billion when we say the court say make Oga Alex Bade take use bail himself.
Chim, you don't talk.
Which one be Chim? I don't talk. Talk your own. Which one be Chim? I don't talk. I talk finish. You say Chim. I don't. Which one be Chim? I don't talk.
Chukwudi, in
Talk
fact,
your own.
If I look you finish, I don't know how I will take address your own matter. Anyway, we don't hear and finish. Chukwudi don't give a breakdown on waiting. We do it. We talk about. Blessed will get a caller right now. Good morning. Hello. Good morning.
hello.
Yes, Oga Samuel calling us from Kaduna. Good morning. Will they hear you?
Yeah, good morning.
We dey greet Oga Samuel.
Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Samuel.
Yeah, it be like say that your friend get something to do with Alex Badeva.
Who?
Answer.
That your colleague now,
Who
when
could
you
be
and
me?
they talk this morning.
How I take relate with Alex Bade?
I feel like saying he get relationship with Alex Bade. Because
Tell me how I take relate. Which kind of relationship I get?
What Alex Bade do for this country, that man don't even deserve to live. Because they give money, go rescue, give people, make them go fight terrorists, go do this thing. He can't money put for pocket. Which kind of person that one be? I mean, if not be Buhari, I go put a permanent for sale where you no go see outside self. You no go see outside. Laila.
Oga Samuel.
Yes, so.
We don't hear your contribution. Thank you very much for this contribution. In the same way you don't talk, now so a lot of Nigerians also talk, say, make we see the end of this matter because the things will play out before this period. It's not waiting person if just forget easily. We got Oga Bobby. Oga Bobby, they call us from Amsterdam. Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Bobby, we greet you.
Shukudi, I greet you too.
We greet you, Oga Bobby.
Ukubi, no go beat Shukudi, I beg.
Oh, no, Wala. No, I go listen for now.
In the talk, in the shake like far away, when show overfeeding, so they threaten you, they talk here, you they threaten about, no go beat up. You know, I beg you.
Okay, no, Wala.
Of friendship to move Nigeria forward. So
yes.
Beg you know, so forgive them.
Okay.
Anyway, to the matter, that guy, the former minister of military,
chief of
that guy, the 2 billion is a small money.
Is a small money?
That guy, because he deserves to stay there in case they do the hearing of a case. You understand me now? Because if you look to the soldiers where they die during this Boko Haram event, a person think of all those ones, and the innocent civilians where they die, I prefer make that guy there inside there till when they go do a hearing of a case and till when they go pass judgment on that. Because if you think of them, if you think of those people, their brothers or their sisters where they die live, or their children, you will feel so angry. You understand me? Because if someone like those people feel they to make sure give other people sufferness, that guy not deserve bail. That be my own. Me Nigeria really think it. People think the thing because if you think of soldiers where die, there are the civilians where die, live husband, my wife, mama, children where die. That guy not deserve to be bailed. That be my own. Me would think aware. That guy not deserve to be bailed. He need to be arrested. Thank you.
Thank you very much
for this your important contribution. It is very, very obvious. Say every Nigerian inside this country no support corruption at all. And all of us, if anything will go help us pursue corruption, come up for this our country, so that the country go move forward, all of us they support them. And this one, don't give the government greater responsibility. Because if the people they expect plenty and the government fall short, now we say they don't fall hand. We get Martins, seeing they call us all the way from Anambra. Oga Martins, good morning and welcome to RC The Hot.
Alaba International, Oga Martins. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Will they hear you, Oga Martins?
Okay, I want to contribute to the program.
Okay, right on.
Yeah. Oga Chukwudi, I think they talk too much. Oga Chukwudi.
Will they hear you, Oga Martins? Continue.
First-time caller from Oja Alaba International.
Thank you very much. We appreciate.
I'm really happy for what you people are doing.
Thank you very much.
I want to contribute for the matter where they happen.
Okay.
See that I want to contribute for this man where carry our money, where they say they use buy weapons for soldiers. You see that man, if I see that man for television, I see the worker. In short, because this government, make we pray, then if we send up with this government, we're not going to see anything like that. If we send up for a country like China, that man, for pieces all in leg, pieces in hand, pieces in leg, in short, that man not deserve make it just stay with his 2 legs. If we send up with this government, for no they know waiting the happen.
Waiting the happen, not true.
Waiting with the happen, we say make everybody. I know say me as the man, but make everybody shine patient. Look, we see where we will go for this
government
corruption. Make every Nigeria they pray for this because waiting these people don't chop. Too much.
Oga Martins, this your contribution. This your contribution. Not be say at the but now highest based on say you even look and say make we comot ethnocentric sentiment. Make we support the government so that this country go better. Thank you very much. We get Solomon. Solomon they call us all the way from Uyo. Oga Solo, good morning and welcome to RC The Hot.
Solomon, good morning.
Oga Solomon, you there? Oga Solomon don't go. You see, if I say all this communication, I don't know why all this minister this thing. This now very simple thing. Just any position where you dey, identify the problem and see. Oga Solomon call us. Even when Fatima been call us, she talks more. The thing called Oga Solomon all the way from you are quite born. And I know say that in contribution they go exactly to the way we say I know just
waiting be the high point of this thing we want talk. Where you want land and put.
Ministers know your work. Simple.
Ministers, what's up with this minister thing where they all they shack you? Where they all they shack you?
Why you take concern?
No, what's up with this minister thing? Wait, which minister? Minister who they preach for boss now you they interested in make we know. We can assign you to anywhere, go and preach as a minister anywhere.
Who could be? Are you what you doing? I'm talking.
No. You just took up the issue of minister. You're the shack. Look, if not minister, fine. There are different kind of ministers. If they preach for boss, if you give you minister, send you go one country, go to the ministerial job there. I mean,
you know what? This show go end.
You see?
This show go end. No. This show go end. Shall we? They want make the show end.
No. In fact, make you no end. No. That's what you want. I want to see her now.
Make the show end.
No. I'll be talking to make it end before, but because I say make the show, I don't want to make it end again. Oh yeah.
Allow the show end.
No. The show is already.
Okay, Silvanos, they call us from Ibadan.
Silvanos.
Make Silvanos stop finish. You go see what
Silvanos, good morning. Talk to us. We hear you. Silvanos, good morning.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Silvanos.
Why they come near me? This is a threat too.
Yeah.
Contribute.
Hello?
We hear you.
Silvanos. Okay, Silvanos, no, they see you now. Anything say now only one person there inside studio. Go on your.
My head, no, they show. Okay, Silvanos, see there.
You see him now. You don't.
What do you see him? Oga Silvanos, if he say get contribution to contribute, if you don't contribute, maybe in communication this thing.
If you know say you get power, go back, make the show end, make you see what you go. Make you see what you go.
End the show. I go stay here.
You know,
no. We go stay. I go stay here.
When we end show, the way we take start now.
No. I go stay here.
This you are coming close to me. It's a threat.
Show. I'm there with you. Let's end this show.
So you mean say make the show end?
Make it end. No, end immediately. I can't wait.
Unkubi, one Nigeria.
One Nigeria where? You are who they play one Nigeria.
Our people when they for see we need peace. So our people
we will get the peace. After we don't settle.
Person know they even they follow you play say this thing. Why you can't turn this thing? Now no be play with they play.
Your apology is accepted.
Our people when they for us, they talk and say Nigeria and our country no go spoil. Make all of us join our hand together to move this our country forward. When I don't hear all of the action story when we carry come on top of this week, we go lock shop, carry key go, but our ear go dey ground. So that all the things will happen from this very moment, go this Sunday, Monday morning, we will carry and come give you now as the thing they hot. Unkubi.
Yes, from you Nkubi, I wish now a beautiful weekend. Till Monday we'll go meet again.
You lucky say
thank you. No, as long as Nigeria doesn't say don't apologize.
I apologize because of television.
No.
Okay, come.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.